Welcome in once again to Crypto Climate, where we observe the climatic current pulse and forecast of the markets. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, as it does really help out the channel. Then we start off with Ethereum Fear and Greed Index, guys. Currently at 49, currently neutral for Ethereum. But I mean, right now, Ethereum is just indecisive. It doesn't know what to do in the markets, as we're going to see in the charts. And but it is showing weakness as the past couple of weeks and days, so we'll definitely make sure to view that on the charts. But again, neutral right now, stuck between 50-50, making a bullish or bearish decision. So we'll see what happens, but this might help, guys. A lot of panic in the markets because of the SEC cracking down on the regulatory pressure for crypto, going after Binance, going after Coinbase, going after the biggest exchanges in the world. And look, the SEC is filing lawsuits against Binance and Coinbase, guys. But really what matters from this is that within those lawsuits, they're actually, doing the Howey test on some of these coins, meaning to see if they're securities or not. And what really matters is that they've actually come through, because the SEC has designated 19 altcoin projects as securities in lawsuits. Wow, guys, that's so impactful. Coins like Cosmos, Binance Coin, you know what I mean, Cody, Chili's, Near, Flow, ICP, Dash, the OG, Nexo, VGX. Look, and then finally, these tokens traded on both platforms are also tagged as securities. Cardano, wow, some of the top 10 coins: Polygon, Filecoin, Sandbox as a metaverse coin, Decentraland, another metaverse coin, Algorand, Axie Infinity, and then a full list of altcoins that SEC calls securities. Again, a total of 67 different ones, including Ripple, XRP. Where else? What else? Here, let's see, just so many coins. Yo, that is just crazy. I can't believe it, that they're actually doing this and coming after these coins in that way. Axie Infinity, which one else? Just so many different ones, causing the altcoin sell-off that we're going to see that's happening as of late in the last couple of days. Just wanted to mention to you guys that is just insane. The SEC's coming. I mean, we knew the regulatory pressure was going to come one way or another, but like this, just out of the blue, so strong. That's causing sell pressure that we're gonna view pretty quick. But let's analyze the top 5 cryptocurrencies and their performance in the last 7 days for the past week. Let's start off with Ethereum. Pretty stable, just down 2.65% in the last 7 days at $1,841. So it hasn't moved much. It's basically at this point become a blue chip, right alongside a Bitcoin. Because before, with these fundamental events, Ethereum would be dumping like crazy, just like BNB is again now designated as a security based on the article we read at $262, down 15%. BNB was holding strong, guys, so down 15%. Probably most likely directly correlated to it being designated now as a security. XRP, ironically, it does have the case files and details coming out soon, so a lot of speculation. So even though it might have been designated as a security, a lot of people already thought so, and they're just waiting for that case, those results to come out at 53 cents, up 2.55%. Then Cardano, guys, down 18% at around 30 cents a pop, down 5% just in the last 24 hours. Wow, directly affected by the SEC per se. And then we have Dogecoin at almost 7 pennies, down 4.45%. Then we have the biggest movers for the last 7 days. We have Terra Classic, the scam. Hey, by the way, XRP, the scam. Excuse me, as we can see here, up 18%. Still way under a penny, but wow, it's making moves. Then you have Stacks up 4% at 64 cents. XRP, the scam, at 53 cents, done up 2%. Then you have stable coins because the rest of the market is dumping per se. Then we move on to the top 5 biggest losers in the last week. We start off with cornflakes, guys, at 22 cents, down 20%. Yikes. Another 20% banger down. We do see here Sweet at 73 cents. You know, I believe this might end up being a good long-term investment. And now that it's down, man, but we'll see, man, with this craziness in the markets and altcoins and the SEC cracking down and all that, altcoins, they're not looking too good for the foreseeable short-term future. Then we have Cardano at 30 cents, down 20% as well. Algorand making new all-time lows, down almost 19% at 12.3 cents. Insanity. Filecoin, also, we do have here as the fifth one at 4 billies, down almost 20% as well. And just to, you know, look, Polygon was mentioned to 73 cents, down. Wow. Also down 17%. Aptos, Sandbox was mentioned. You know, all these coins, they're all down. Altcoins, you know, the altcoin market as a whole, due to that regulatory pressure coming into the markets. What do you guys think is going to happen? That's just crazy, man. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. It really does help out the channel if you haven't done so already. Also, click that bell to stay tuned for a fresh off the press content. And then, you know, don't forget to like this video. Destroy that like button, as it really does help out with the algorithm. What we provide for our community, free educational playlist for you guys. Link in the description down below. You can come here, pen, pencil, piece of paper, a lot of different crypto themes you can grab over here with their educational presentations and everything of value. So make sure you guys check that out. Then moving on to the charts. Show me the charts, Jay. Here are the charts. As we can see, Ethereum is pretty much stable, you know, with all the craziness in the markets as of late, you know. But again, if we go, well, this is on the daily chart again, guys, so keep that in mind. Not too many moves per se, you know, lower highs here, and that $1,786 support is holding on strong. But really on the weekly is that I want to check Ethereum on the weekly here, if the charts allows us to do so. You know, we're gonna make sure and see if we can do that real quick. Weekly right here, there we go, guys. On the weekly, we see here a big red candle. Look at that. And then we might be crossing down again. If we get another cross down and we go below the 20 on the RSI, on the stochastic RSI here, and then this RSI comes and makes a new local low, then I think Ethereum is going to break the current support and head down, maybe even down to the 1400s, 1300s as that minimum price target. So keep that in mind, man. A lot of things going on for Ethereum as of late. You know what I mean? So let's see what happens in anywhere from the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. Then we move on to the altcoin market. Again, it's getting destroyed. Ethereum is holding this up a little bit, but once Ethereum starts stumping as well, we expect a retest of the $500 billion level at the bare minimum. Right now, we're sitting at $550 billion inside the altcoin market cap, but I believe this might break as well. We can come down and retest the lows at $400 billion. So I wouldn't be surprised if that ends up happening anywhere from the next couple of weeks to the next couple of months, guys. So we'll definitely make sure to keep you guys informed. We did have a fake out here, and now we're breaking this wedge pattern towards the downside. So things are not looking good for the altcoin market right now with all the regulatory pressure. You know what I mean? But let's see how it pans out. Then we move on to the DXY, the dollar index. We saw a jump as of late. Now we're retracing a little bit, consolidating a bit up here around the 103.5 level. You know, again, this could be a double bottom, or this could be a high and then a lower high and continuing the downtrend. So it's indecisive right now. The DXY doesn't really know what it wants to do. So if it gets above the 105.35, that'll be a clear indication that a new uptrend has started for the dollar, but that's not the case yet. We'll definitely make sure to keep you guys informed in our next episode. Guys, if you enjoyed the content, make sure you click the link in the description down below for our website here. Great tools, investment tools and resources for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Guys, thank you so much for your time, your support and your attention, and hope you guys have a good one.